feel this tiny $10 keyboard might be the best thing I have added to my setup all week. No caps, it is wireless, it is compact, and yeah, I even tested my typing speed with it. Let's see how it held up. My desk used to look like a tech graveyard. Cables, peripheral, coffee mugs, fighting for space. So I asked, what can I change with just $10? That's when I ordered this so-called mini keyboard. Honestly, I expected a toy. I slid open the box and boom, clean black keys, feather light, and surprise USB dongle hidden inside the mouse. Love that. One dongle runs both devices. Less clutter, one port, easy win. Setup took 4 batteries, plugged it in, 2 in the mouse and 2 in the keyboard. Look, I'm not ditching my main keyboard, right? But this, it's got 3 big wins. One is portability. Fit in literally any backpack, and 2 is space saving. My desk actually breathes now, you can see. And the third and final, comfort. With the help of an ergonomic pad, my shoulders are thanking me. 10 bucks, that's it. No apps, no drivers, no nonsense. Opened an online typing test and just went for it. Not gonna lie, I thought I would type like a drunk crab with this thing, but my fingers actually flew. I hit several words per minute on my first run. Not bad for a keyboard smaller than my lunch, Now before I go, I did something fun. I opened my live YouTube subscriber count, 394. Amazing people are reaching part of this journey. Honestly, I was hoping it would say 394 million, but we're getting there. One sub. So if you've made it this far, do me a favor, hit that red button, make it 395 or even better. We'll manifest that because every click gets us closer to turning tech tests like this into something even crazy. Drop a comment if you've tried a mini keyboard before, and I will catch you in the next one right here in AI.